What?
Okay, so let's start with our next tutor demo, in which you have to enter the ID first here, and then you have to click on Go. Okay, then you have to enter your password, which I am entering it, and you have to click on Login. Okay, and now you will receive an OTP. Okay, on your registered mobile number, and if you also want to the OTP on your mail, then after 5 seconds the send mail option will be enabled, and then you will also get the OTP on the your registered email also. You have to enter the OTP first. I'm entering it and just click on go, so that you can see our scripts are being downloading in the left side bottom, and we are ready to log in. Now you can see we are logged in into our next trader successfully. Okay, now we have to create a group here, in which we have to go to the market first. Okay, and then we have to click on market watch group settings. Okay, in which we got this dialog bar up here. We have to name our group, like I will give as Nifty, and click on add new. Okay, then you can see our group is being created, and we have to click on save group and yes. Okay, now we have again go to market and click on market watch profile. So our market watch profile is here, where we can add our scripts and start our trading. Okay, so first of all I will let you know about the index value bar, how to add the index value bar above here. Just right click on the black market watch, and the option came dialog bar. Okay, in which second option is show index value bar. You have to click on it so that you can see our index value bar is there. You can also keep it as like this, and by double clicking it will be rearranged like this, and you can also rearrange it. Okay, now if you want to delete any index from here, you have to just right click on that and click on remove index. Then you can see that index will be removed, and if you want to add an index, just click on right click, and there is option of show indices dialog. Then many of the indexes will appear, and which one if you want to add, like if you want to add the Nifty 100, you have to select that and add to dialog bar and click on OK. Then you can see it is being added to our market index value bar. Okay, now I will tell you that how to add the scripts in the market watch. Now you have to first of all select here like NSE. If I want to add like PNB, I have to click on enter, and then you can see it is being added to my market watch. Now if I want to add for the BSE, same script PNB, I have to click on enter, and you can see it is being added to my market watch. Okay, for the futures and option I have to select the NFO, and there are the four options came. First one is for future index, second one is for the future stocks, third one is for option index, and fourth one is for option stocks. If I want to add the option index, I have to select here like Nifty 18,000 call I needed for the next expiry. I just click on enter, yet you can see it is being added to my market watch. Same, if I want to add for the currency, I have to select the CDS for that. For the future currency, if I want to add the future for the USD INR for the next expiry, just click on enter. It is being added to our market watch. Same, if I want to add the option of that, I have to select the option currency USD INR call for the 82 rupees for the next expiry. Just click on enter. It is being added to our market watch, as you can see. Okay, for the MCX means commodity, you have to select the MCX here. Future commodity, for the future you have to select the future means future commodity. The crude oil for the next expiry, just click on enter. It is being added to our market watch. Same if you want to add the option crude oil 7,000 for the next expiry. It is being added to our market watch, as you can see here. Okay, now I will tell you that how to rearrange that. Just click on it and you can drag it above and bottom so you can rearrange it. If you want to delete any script, just select that and there is an option of delete on your keyboard. Okay, you have to just click on this and it will be deleted from your market watch. Okay, now I will tell you that how to do buy sell. Right click on it. There is an option of buy order entry and the sell order entry. For these shortcut keys are F1 and F2. F1 is for buying and F2 for the selling. Just click on this buy order entry so that you can see this window appears in which you can buy your shares or sell your shares. Okay, in this you can buy your shares and for the this you can sell your shares. Okay, now I will tell you how it work. Okay, here you have to select the order types. Thus, NEC is being by default selected because you open for the PNB equity. Okay, now we have to select the order type here. Here you can see three orders types are coming: limit, market, and SL. Limit is for if you want to buy the below the market price, then you have to select the limit for that. If you want to buy at the market price, okay, then you have to select the market for that. Okay, but SL means stop loss. If you want to place the stop loss, then you have to go to the sell window. Okay, we have to select the SL here. So let's suppose a situation we have a 100 rupees buy position and you have to create a stop loss at rupees 90. Then you have to enter the 90 in the price section. Okay, and in the triggered price you have to enter much more than the price, like 91, little bit more than the price. When the market comes down and it triggers the 91 price, your trigger will be activated and the best price above the 90, at that price your order will be executed. Okay, now get back to our buy window. This is your okay, get back to our buy window. This is your all things like PNB equity. Okay, if you select for the options, then it will take like which strike price it is, which expiry it is. Okay, now you have to enter the quantity here. Like if you want to enter the 1,000 quantity, you can enter here. Okay, like at which price, like you want to buy at the 50, like we can rearrange the price also, but in the market, as you can see, it is being hidden because it will be executed at the market price. Okay, now there is a three options came here: CNC, MISN, and RML. Okay, CNC means cash and carry, in which you can buy your shares for as a delivery for the long term. For you can buy your shares for more than 1 day for the equity cash. Okay, you will require 100% margin in this. Okay, now the second one is came MIS. MIS means marginal intraday square off, in which you have to square off your position before 3:20 p.m. Otherwise, our RMS team will square it off and it will charge you around 20 rupees plus 18% GST. Okay. In the MIS, we provide you up to 3 times leverage in the equity cash, which you can see on the margin sheet. I will show you our margin sheet. You have to just type SAS Online here, open our website, go to the support section, scroll down bottom, and you can see limits and margin under the account opening and charges. Okay, here. Then the fourth option, what margin will I get for trading? And the margin sheet is here. Okay, you have to go to the intraday cash margin that you can see. These shares got up to 3 times leverage. There are so many shares. You can check out our margin sheet from our website. Okay. Now the third option comes NRML. Okay. I confirm you the timings for the MIS first. 3:20 p.m. in the equity cash. Okay, for the equity it is 3:20 p.m. you have to square off your position before 3:20. For the currency the timing is 4:50 p.m. Okay, for the commodity 11:15 is for winters and 11:40 is for summers. Okay, Now the third option came, NRML. NRML means if you want to carry forwarded your position till the expiry of the futures and the options. Okay, then you have to select the NRML for that. Okay, now the thing comes is validity. Validity means you for how long you want to validate your order. Like if you place a limit order and you want to validate it till the day, means the market is running at 100 rupees and you give the limit price as 90, then you want whenever the price comes in the market in the whole day, it will be executed. Then you have to select the day. But if you select on the IOC means immediate or cancel, then it will check whether there is a buyer and seller at the rupees 90. If there is no buyer and seller at rupees 90, it will be cancelled at the same time. Okay. Now I will tell you about our two special orders. First one is the bracket order and second one is the cover order. Let me give you the note about these. These are the pure intraday products which you have to square it off before 3:20 p.m. Otherwise, same call and trade charges will be applied by our RMS team, that is 20 rupees plus GST. Okay, in the bracket order and the cover order, we provide you up to 5 times leverage in the equity cash, which you can also see in our margin sheet. Here you can see in these shares we provided you up to 5 times leverage. Okay. Now get back to I will show you how to place the bracket order. Just click on the script you want to select. Okay, and go to the bracket order here and buy bracket order. Then you can see bracket order window appears. Okay, now in the bracket order we can place up to 3 orders. First one is for the buying, second one is for the stop loss, and third one is for target. We have to First of all, we have to by default these absolute, and we have to enter the buying price here. Like if I want to buy it at 100 rupees, I have to enter the 100 here. Second, I have to give the absolute points for the target. If I want to place a target at 120, then the difference between the target and the my buying price is 20 points. That 100 from 120, it is 20 points. So I have to enter the 20 here, not 120. Okay, same as the target. If I want to put a stop loss at rupees 90, then I have to enter 10 here because the difference between the 90 and the 100 is 10. Now the feature comes as trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss is totally optional. If you want to enable it, you have to just tick it and enter the trailing text. Like if I want to enter the one, then when the this price, your buying price came from 100 to 101, then your stop loss at rupees 90 will automatically trail to 91. Okay, but if your price came from 100 to 99, it will don't detrail to 90 to 89. It will be at 90. Okay, means it don't detrail, it's only trail. Okay. Now the situations comes in the market and the market price is 110 if you and you want to book a profit of 10 rupees. Okay. Then you have to go to your order book. In the completed order, there is a buy order, but in the open order, there is a stop loss order and the target order. Okay. Then, if you want to execute at a market price, you have to just select your stop loss order, and there is an exit option there. In the bottom right side, you can see there is an exit option there. You have to just click on exit, and then order will be executed at the market price, and whatever the profit and loss is running at that time, the order will be executed at that price. Now I will tell you that how to place the cover order. Right click on it, there is the option of cover order. Just go the cover order window. Here you can see we can buy up to we can place up to 2 orders at the same time. First one is for the buying and second one is for the stop loss. Let's suppose if you want to buy at a 50 rupees and you have to give a stop loss between this range. This is a system related range. By default, it is giving, like if you want to put the stop loss at 48, okay, then the same will be happen. Your buy will be go here, okay, and your stop loss will be in the pending. Okay, if you want to exit at the market price, same you have to select your stop loss order and exit it from the right side bottom. Now I will tell you that how to check your orders, like your order book. Just there is an option of view and order trade reports in the top. Okay, you have to select that, and the first option is your order book. Okay, so this is your order book in which you can get your open orders, your completed orders. In the open orders, you will get all your open orders that is not being executed till now in the market. But in the completed orders, you will see all your orders has been completed, rejected, or cancelled. Okay, you can also modify your orders from here. In the right side bottom you can see there is an option of modify here. Okay, let's suppose you have a buying order for rupees 100, but you know the price will comes at the 90 rupees also, and you want to modify order at 90 rupees buying. So you have to select that order and modify here, and you have to give your price 90 and submit it. Then your order will be modified, and when the market price comes at 90, your order will be executed at that time. So this is your order window. Okay, if you want to cancel a particular order, you can cancel it from here, and if you want to cancel all your open orders at the same time, you can also cancel it from here in the right side bottom. Now I will tell you that how to see your positions. Just go to the masters, and there is an option of admin position here. First option is admin position. So from here you can see all your positions. Okay, here you can see the two options, day wise and the net wise. In the net wise, you will get all your positions that are being carry forwarded, or the positions you make today. But in the day wise, you will get your position you make today only. Okay, you can also convert your position from here. You have to just go to the device, click on get position, select your position. If you want to convert your position from the MIS to the NRML, or MIS to the CNC, or NRML to MIS, then you can also convert it. Just select the position, click on position convert, and your position will be converted by clicking on the things you selected. Okay, you can also square off your position from the bottom side. You can see the square off option here. You can also square it off. Okay, you will see all your things here, like MTM is your mark to market, means your today's profit and loss. Now I will tell you that how to see your cash margins, like how much cash do you have. Go to view orders and trade reports. There is a fourth last option, view RMS limit. Okay, when you click on the view RMS limit, in the left side top you can see the user option. You have to select the show all clients. Here you can see all your margins, like cash margin is your morning balance, paying amount, like how much amount did you pay in, collateral, how much collateral value did you get, ad hoc margin means if you done an NEFT, RTGS or MPS, then it will be comes under the ad hoc margin. How much margin did you use to making the position? Okay, how much available balance is there in your trading account to make the new position? It will be all shown here. Okay, same as the commodity also. Now I will tell you that how to see your holdings. Go to the view on trade reports. There is the third last option of view holdings. Here you can see all your holdings. You can also scare off your holdings from here at the market price if you want. You can also scare it off from here also. Okay, so I will tell you that how to add the funds or withdraw the funds from the trading account. So you have to click on secure URL, and there are two options again, pay in and payout. From the pay in, you can add your funds to the trading account, and from the payout, you can withdraw your funds from the trading account. Let's go to the pane. Then this atom gateway page will be open. Okay, in which you have to select the things, like you have to select the segment first. First we have to select the segment equity derivative currency if you want to add to this account. Okay, then you can see your bank will be appeared, your bank account number will be appeared, and there is a two option schemes, net banking and the UPI, your transfer type. So from which method you want to transfer the fund? Like if you select the net banking, okay, then you have to enter the amount here and click on submit. Then it will be redirect to your merchant gateway page. Okay, your merchant gateway page. Okay, through which you can just enter to the account and do the paying. Okay, further if you want to add the money through the UPI, then you have to select the UPI from the here. If you want to add the money through the UPI, then you have to select the UPI here. Okay, then you have to enter your VPA here. VPA means your virtual payment address, means your UPI ID. You have to enter it here, and same you have to enter the amount here and click on submit. Then you will get a mandate on your UPI application. Okay, and you have to accept that, and the money will be transferred at the millisecond. Okay, now get back to our next setup. Okay, now from the payout you can do the payout. Just place a request, then your payout will be done. Okay, now I will tell you about, if you want to place many orders like two or three or four five orders at the same time, they can, then you can use our basket order. You have to go to the orders and trades, and there is a second option of basket order. Okay, so here you can add your scripts here. Okay, simple, you have to select the segment, then order type, then product type you want to buy or sell it. Okay, then their validity. Okay, then which script do you want to add? Like if I want to add this, I have to click on add, and if I want to get a put of it, like add. If I want to sell 17,900, I have to put add. Then you can see so many orders we can add, and just click on place. Then your order, all orders will be placed in the market, and according to the market price it will be executed. Then the all orders will be executed at the market according to the price. Okay, and if you want to cancel your orders, just go to the order window and you can cancel all according to your need. Okay, now I will tell you, if you want to calculate the margin according to your position, okay, like how much margin is being needed. Okay, then you can also use the span calculator. Just go to the tools, and the last option is Nest Auto Plugins. Okay, here you have to select the span calculator and click on load. Then you can see our span calculator is being in front of you. Now you have to click on load. Then you can see our span calculator has been activated. Okay, now you have to add the script, add the script here to know the margin. You have to select it in the instrument name like option index. You have to select it here like if I want to add for the 40,000 put. Okay, and we have to enter the quantity here. For the sell position you have to click on the minus first, and like then quantity, and for the buy you have to just enter the quantity. If I want to know about the sell position, I have to click on minus 50, add to list, just take it and get on get span. Then you can get the total margin required here. Okay, so this is our nested demo. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Thank you for that.